Mac and cheese 4 ways. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. To make the basic mac and cheese, melt the butter in a large saucepan over a medium heat. Add the flour, then the mustard. Cook for 2 minutes or until the mixture bubbles and is grainy. Reduce the heat to low, then gradually add the milk, stirring constantly. Cook, stirring, for 5 minutes or until the sauce boils and thickens. Now remove from the heat and stir in the cheddar. Season with salt and pepper. Add the cooked macaroni to the sauce and stir to combine. Spoon into a baking dish. To finish the basic mac and cheese, just sprinkle with a mixture of breadcrumbs and parmesan. If you're making the pulled beef mac and cheese, add pulled beef, kidney beans, corn and taco seasoning. Add to the macaroni mixture. For bacon mac and cheese, you're going to fry bacon for 5 minutes. Then add it to the macaroni mixture with spring onion. For balsamic onion mac and cheese, you're going to fry onion and bacon in butter with garlic for 15 minutes. Add sugar and balsamic. Cook until caramelised and season. Then add this to the macaroni mixture. Now bake for 15 minutes or until golden. Serve the pulled beef mac and cheese topped with sour cream, jalapenos, cherry tomato and coriander. Finish the balsamic onion mac and cheese with a sprinkle of parsley. Season with salt and pepper. That's 4 ways with mac and cheese. Tell us your favourite.